Now, did you know that Michigan is one of the top producers of cucumbers used for pickling in the entire country? Well, I didn't know that, but Stefanie Mills did, and now she takes us to a tiny shop in Au Gres, where you can buy all the freaking pickles your heart desires.
We didn't expect anything like this. We just wanted to get our product out there. It's a great product.
Pickles have come a long way from being known as a jarred staple in many homes' pantries. In fact, over the last few years, they've garnered a cult following with their delicious flavors in anything from ice cream to slushies. But at Freakin Pickles, it's all about the beloved pickle, for now anyway.
When they come in, they really are only getting pickles. We have plans in the very near future to expand. We'll have some other pickled items. But right now we have just 12 gourmet flavors, and they really are so good.
Freakin Pickles is the creation of Sherry and her son Brett, but really a lot of the family is involved here. The idea came to them just about a year ago. In fact, they only moved into their new building in Au Gres in fall of 2020 and are already bursting at the seams given their enormous pickle popularity.
We were looking for a business opportunity and one that was fun. We started just exhibiting at shows and events on the weekends, and we were having a blast. So we actually had a following before we opened our doors here.
Sherry handles the business side of things while Brett is the pickle creator, if you will. He's come up with all 12 flavors that you can buy at their store. They get their Michigan-grown cucumbers from local manufacturers and put their own touch to them, creating Freakin Pickles.
They all vary, so more of the mild ones don't have to sit as long. I like them to sit anywhere for a little over a week to as long as you can have it, because it always just, the brine always kind of just flavors up a little bit more with more time. We got a nice little team in the back. It's kind of assembly line. You go from scooping it to stickering it, whether it needs a barcode or not, and then everything gets heat sealed. And then we place it in a case and walk it into the cooler.
Freakin Pickles vary in taste, flavor, and spice. There really is something for everyone. Brett says not only does he love pickles, he also loves trying something new.
Always love pickles, anything and everything about it. You know, the aspect of being able to pickle just about anything, and it's fun. I love being creative about it, and it's just a good environment, and who doesn't like pickles?
Now, when I heard about Freakin Pickles, I knew I had to learn more about this place. Pickles, in fact, are a huge hit in the Mills house, too. Our youngest daughter's love for pickles is well documented. Here, she's dressed as one for Halloween. As for Sherry, the popularity over their pickles is nothing like she ever expected.
We feel so blessed that we are at the point where we are today. And even opening our little doors, we've had people that have driven 5 hours. We're gonna put a little guest book in. They can sample everything we have, and some people are just real pickle fanatics.
Freakin Pickles have become so popular they can now be found in more than 60 stores throughout the state, perhaps even in your neck of the woods.